Hello everyone, you are watching as for Shamsi YouTube channel. If your GE dehumidifier is not collecting water, it could be due to several reasons including incorrect humidity settings, a dirty filter, clogged drain hose, faulty compressor, frozen evaporator coil, low room temperature or a full water tank. Check these components and ensure the humidity level is set appropriately for your environment. Key point to check: humidity setting. Verify that the humidity level on the dehumidifier is set to a level that should be actively removing moisture from the air. Clean the filter. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow and prevent proper dehumidification. Drain hose. Check for any kinds of clog in the drain hose that might be preventing water from draining properly. Water tank. Ensure the water tank is not full and is properly positioned. Room temperature. Dehumidifiers work best in a warmer temperature, so check if the room is too cold. Frozen coil. If the evaporator coils are frozen, it can hinder water collection. Compressor issues. A faulty compressor could prevent the dehumidifier from effectively removing moisture from the air.